Hello mga ka-sweetness! Welcome back to my channel again, Sweetness Charm. Hello sa mga bitter na din. Thank you for watching. So guys, after ng Naked Island, ayan, papunta naman tayo ngayon sa Daku Island, Secret Beach, and Guyam Island. So, enjoy watching guys!
Guys, parang gusto ko ng avocado. Ang sarap.
Ayan, while waiting our lunch, budol lunch guys, may piniprepare silang budol lunch. So, mamaya magbubudol fight tayo. And then, nag-check muna kami dito sa beach. May live band sila dito. And then, may fresh buko juice din. Ayan, ang ganda ng panahon guys. Napakaganda din mag-swimming sa Daku Island. Ito yung next to Naked Island. Siargao pa rin siya guys. Napakaganda. Kung makikita nyo, ayan, ang daming coconut trees sa Daku Island. And ang sarap ng budol fight na pinrefer nila din na lunch dito. So, kasama na yun sa tour natin, guys. Island hopping. Medyo madami-dami yung island na pupuntahan natin ngayon. Meron din, later, meron din tayong pupuntahan na iba pa na island. By boat lang din. Magkakatabi sila.
Hi guys! Welcome to Daku Island. This is Daku Island means big. Daku means big. Daku. Ducks ka? Are you ducks, Han? Are you ducks? No daw. Daku. Daku means big. And come here.
Hey guys, welcome to Daku Island. It's a little island in the Philippines, close to Siargao, and we're going to go look for some fresh coconut juice now. Me and Tom on a little mission on a boat trip with a group. But we're going to find some fresh coconuts. Not bad at all.
Island, guys. Ayan yung Guyam Island, guys. Linaw ng tubig, guys.
Lalaban ng bird. High tide. Oo, nakalubog.
Secret Island pala to.
So, no, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 maybe so.
Guys, secret beach pala to. Kasi pag low tide, ayan, lumalabas siya. Pag high tide, wala.
Summer kami nagpunta, guys, kaya ayan, kung makikita nyo, no, ang ganda ng panahon, ang daming tao, kasi nga, ayan, mainit, ayan, summer na summer. So, ang saya, at saka, ayan, ang dami namin sa group tour ng island hopping. At saka, ang dami ring mga foreigners, ayan.
Surf breaks out there, close to Daku Island. It's a traditional vessel. There's Guyam Island. There's a crowd of Americans. You can't see them, you can definitely hear them.
This is another island, guys, called Guyam, means langgam or ant. So, yung asawa ko is, tinatawag ko kong aunt kasi Anthony. So, aunt. So, I said that this is his island. So, enjoy naman dito guys. May paduyan. At saka, chill vibes lang dito. And, ayan yung place. Ang ganda rin. After ng island hopping guys, ayan pauwi na. So gabi na kami natapos, nakarating ulit, and then dinner.
Hi guys, dito ako sa Kermit. Famous to na sabi nila masarap daw ang pizza. So tonight we will try the pizza. Okay. Ayan, may yoga din pala sila. Okay. So, ito guys, yung in-house lang siya. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.